Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must begin with the property visible and your object selected. Blender only opens the Insert Keyframe menu when the mouse is over a specific UI element. Once the value or control is exposed in the Properties Editor, Sidebar, or Shader Editor, move the cursor to hover precisely over that numeric field, slider, or button. Make sure not to have focus elsewhere. Cursor location matters. This step sets Blender to know which channel you intend to key, so do it carefully before proceeding. Now that you're hovering the correct UI element, press I. That's the only guaranteed shortcut that summons Blender's Insert Keyframe menu for that property. You'll see context-sensitive choices appear: single value, location, rotation, scale, or full property keying depending on the control. Use the arrow keys or click to pick an option. Once selected, Blender inserts a keyframe on the current frame for the exact channel implied by your hovered control. Finish by checking the timeline or dope sheet for the new keyframe and watch the channel highlight in the UI. That confirms success. If pressing I yields nothing, make sure your mouse pointer is precisely over the numeric field or control. Blender won't register it otherwise. If context menus are unavailable because of input preferences, confirm your key map hasn't changed. Otherwise, right-click on some UI elements can also expose Insert Keyframe options, but hovering then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.